Why did the ITTF switch to plastic ping pong balls? Imagine playing a game where safety and the environment matter just as much as the sport itself. That's exactly why the International Table Tennis Federation decided to switch from celluloid to plastic ping pong balls. For years, players used celluloid balls because they had the right bounce and feel. But celluloid, a type of plastic, is highly flammable and can catch fire easily. This made transportation and storage risky, especially in large tournaments or shipping containers. In addition, celluloid is not eco-friendly. It's made from materials that don't break down easily and can harm the environment if not disposed of properly. By the early 2010s, only a few factories still produced celluloid balls, and the supply was shrinking. The ITTF saw the need for a safer, more sustainable option that could be produced more consistently around the world. The switch officially happened in 2014 after many years of testing and research. The goal was to create a plastic ball that met all the strict standards for size, weight, roundness, and bounce. These standards are important because they keep the game fair and consistent. The new plastic balls are slightly harder than celluloid, which affects how they bounce and spin. But the ITTF worked to make sure the gameplay stayed similar so players wouldn't have to change their style too much. From a gameplay point of view, plastic balls tend to have a different feel. They can be a little faster and may have different friction properties. This means the ball's trajectory, spin, and speed can change slightly depending on the brand and material used. Players had to get used to these differences, but the overall game remains the same. The main reason for the switch was safety. Celluloid is flammable, and that posed risks during transportation and storage. Plastic is safer because it's not flammable and easier to handle. It's also better for the environment since it can be recycled and produced more sustainably. The change also allowed the sport to keep pace with modern manufacturing methods, making the balls more consistent and available worldwide. So, in simple terms, the ITTF moved to plastic balls because they are safer, more eco-friendly, and easier to produce. This switch helps keep the sport safe for players and the planet while maintaining the quality of the game.